Hello, my name is Courtney Gomez. I've been a skincare specialist and makeup artist for upwards of 5 years. And in this video, we're going to talk about getting perfect skin in 1 week. For this, you're going to need an exfoliant, your everyday moisturizer, you're going to need a spot treatment for acne or breakouts if that is indeed your problem, and then a spot treatment for uneven tone if that is your problem, and a washcloth that you have soaked in steaming water. So to obtain perfect skin in a week, it's going to be a twofold process. You're going to be treating your skin from the inside out and from the outside in. So from the inside out, it's going to have to do with your diet. You're going to want to eat a lot of full, whole grains, fatty acids that you could find in nuts, especially walnuts, but any nut, peanut, cashew, almond, and then fatty acids that you could find also in fish. Antioxidants that are available to you in different fruits, especially berries like blueberries and strawberries. Pomegranate is another way to get a lot of antioxidants into your system. Green tea too. You are going to want to also treat your skin from the outside in, which would be through topical treatments, which is what I have in front of me. An exfoliant is a great way to really clear up the skin, get a nice even complexion, clean off dead skin cells, as well as remove dirt that you don't get off from regular cleansing. So depending on the sensitivity of your skin is how much you're going to want to exfoliate. And the more you exfoliate, the more moisturizer you're going to want to use. So let's say to start off, you want to do about 2 exfoliation treatments a week, and before you exfoliate, you want to actually steam the skin and open up the pores. So what you could do is you can boil some water on the stove and then take a washcloth and pour some on, get it saturated so it's steaming, and you can actually take that and sit it over your face. And that could be left on the skin until it cools, I would say about 5 minutes. And then from there is when you go on to your exfoliation. So what I have here is actually a homemade exfoliant. The base is sugar, so that's what's going to do the exfoliating. But then there's also some chemical exfoliants in it, lemon juice and honey. And then a little bit of milk to even out the skin tone. So you would just apply this after you've opened your pores with the steam. And you're going to do small, circular, light motions. You don't need to press hard. You don't want this to be like sandpaper on the skin. The sugar is not in perfect circles, so if you press too hard, it can tear at the pores, and that's going to hurt more than it is going to treat. So after you have laid the cloth over your skin and removed it, you're going to want to apply this and do small circular motions. Do that for a good another 5 minutes. That's going to bring a lot of blood to the surface. As I said, it's going to take away dirt and really do a nice cleanse on the skin. Then you go on to spot treatment. So this is going to be after you exfoliate and also after you cleanse. So you're going to be wanting to cleanse daily, especially if you wear makeup. So if you are getting little acne outbreaks, a 2% salicylic acid spot treatment is a really great way to keep that under control. And then you would just apply that to the affected area, rub it in, let it sit before you apply your moisturizer. For uneven skin tone and extra dry spots, shea butter is actually really good. So you can apply that like you would a moisturizer, but only to the affected area. Rub it in, give yourself a nice little massage. Its consistency is almost of a balm. And then of course you're always going to want to moisturize. Moisturize, 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 and drink lots of water because that is going to be the best way to bring the healing properties to the skin. And again, rub it in and give yourself a nice massage as you do it, because getting that perfect skin tone and that perfect skin comes from a state of mind as well as treatment inside and out. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Courtney Gomez, and in this video we discussed how to get perfect skin in 1 week.